here we have the beginning of Mystery Canyon. We have to just down climb through a lot of this scree. This is known as the Gully of Death.
Jeff, are you alright?
So we're continuing our way down here, down Death Gully. I think we're about a third of the way down. It's pretty steep. Did you find Bigfoot?
Yeah.
We got him.
There's our Bigfoot right there. Those are
size 14
dogs.
14. All right, so things are starting to level out down here. If you look up, well, you can't see where we started from, but you can see where the rim is up there.
If you look at it, it's hard to believe we found a way down.
Right? So we hit our first webbing, but we're gonna down climb on the right hand side here. Then we don't have to rig up ropes or harnesses. Oh yeah, there's a social trail here. Just go right around. Right next to happy little trees.
But my view is, like, if you can make it without rappelling, that's kind of what you should do.
Yeah, I agree. So I chose an odd option. There's this rotted log. And it's pretty not safe. There's a good chance that this is gonna crash in a minute. And I'm gonna go down with it. And I escaped.
You have your camera on, right?
Oh yeah. Okay. But you didn't see any of it. Other than me jumping out of the way.
Thank you for showing us the way not to go.
Yeah, don't go that way. That's bad. Continuing to hike down in Mystery Canyon. And we're getting to some interesting cliffs here. Some rock formation. So here's a seasonal waterfall. Comes right off the cliff up there. You can see the weather's holding out. Nice blue skies. A couple of clouds, but nothing major. So we have just passed up our fourth rappel, supposedly, that had a quick link up there, and we just went around it and down climbed it. Number 4.
Alright, this looks like we're gonna start rappelling. I don't see anywhere to go on this one. It's fine.
Harness up. I was gonna do low friction. Get going real fast.
That time I got my new rope, I took it out and I went down it, and it was still like, I'm like, I was squeezing with both, and I'm like, with both hands. I just burned through my gloves. I got blisters, and I hit the bottom.
Oh man. I'll see you guys at the bottom. Hopefully not the quick exit. All right. On rope. Oh yeah.
Seems like a pretty good start.
High friction. Adios. Well, actually, this is a little water down here. Butterfly. I'm gonna swing. Huh? Yeah, let's swing in. Yeah, there we go. Gonna go down the flute. Off rope. fancy footwork.
This is pretty good. Did you guys go into the flute?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Swung in, Indiana Jones style.
All right, I'm gonna do the same.
That's like a superhero pose right there for a second. How was it?
First rappel down.
So take the rope. Haven't even finished pulling it out of that one yet. Gonna put it right into this one. Those bolts are loose.
Well, it's getting dark down there.
Yeah. Ooh. Good thing I checked that. That was loose. That's why you do it. Hey, Spider-Man on me down there.
Oh, I thought you needed a little help there, sorry.
Off rope. Woo!
There's a bolt missing on one of the anchors too.
All right. How'd you guys do this? You slide down?
I did. I actually turned around and hugged the rock.
Gotcha. I think if I just do this.
I think we all do different ways.
Let's see what this looks like. Actually, that is a bit of a drop, isn't it? However, the proper technique, it might be just fine. Yep, we're good. Ooh, you all right?
Yep.
And it's opened up now into this. Chalkstone. What do you got? Another wrap? And that's one big piece of rock.
It's not long enough. I can see it.
Yeah?
It's not long enough by like 15 feet,
Oh,
maybe less, 10.
All right.
come back up. So we were investigating alternate routes here because the rope didn't reach the end. So we thought maybe we could down climb here, but I can't tell what's beyond that ledge. That's a lot of energy to go down there and possibly have to hike back up. So we were just gonna go back here and do single strand. Hiker's log. Well, we made it out of that by rappelling down single strand and then down climbing a section. Then it spit us out into this. Looks like this is the rock fall area. Yeah.
That means it's a good canyoneering day.
Found this little furry guy crawling around.
Maybe it's. Oh.
That is quite the stretch.
Oh.
Like a boss. Oh, hello, Canyon. Interesting.
So I was thinking what we could do is just wait till the last person goes and they throw the pull cord. Just so you don't, the other two people don't have to deal with it getting tangled.
There's a chance it may not even reach.
We can pull more of this up. You know what I'm saying? Add
Oh,
more.
yeah. I gotcha. On rappel. Okay. Now we keep going down.
A little bit fast?
Not too bad actually. You dove in here?
Yeah, just unhooking the log and but we need to bring the pull cord out.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Where's my face? Huh, there's a cricket. You just slide in or jump? Don't get it in your nose. But actually feels pretty good. Yeah, I feel like a new man.
Good way to throw the pull cord last. Because Gunner had problems with tangled rope again. Pull cord mixed in with it.
Oh yeah. Here it comes. Perfect. Well, this is where we just came from. Rappelled down there into the pool, and following here, this is what we got now. I'm down climbing this really slippery part here. Oh, well done. All right, I'm gonna try to down climb this. Let's see what happens. It probably doesn't help that my shoes are super slick. But in the end, you get wet.
Alright, Jeff, we're the back pass.
Okay, just throw it right towards me. Smack! Graceful.
I have a headache from this shot. Oh my god. Look
What is
at all
it?
these people.
Oh yeah.
I think they're here because of the waterfall.
Yeah.
This whole thing is like a slip and slide, dude. It's awful. Where did they get them to move to the rope and not murder them? But yeah, this is crazy. I prefer the double stranded, but I don't think. Yeah, we can't. There's no route.
On rappel. Oh, this is a crazy start. I think I'm gonna swing out. I'm not even at the slippery part yet. Lean way back.
ATS clicked on you another horn on its own, and I was like, oh, whatever, I'll take that for friction.
How was it?
It wasn't too bad, but there were a couple times where it was a little sketchy. Oh, that's slick.
Welcome to the Narrows. How was it?
That was better, man. Embarrass yourself.
No embarrassments. Oh, I got quite the crowd here. And we're out of the Narrows. Headed to the shuttle and out. We have made it to the shuttle.
Don't miss it. Don't worry.